Well, for openers, I don't know how to work this machine. This is the silliest way I've ever known of spending the nights alone, talking to yourself into an obvious Nazi machine.
There is something besides The Man That Got Away Over the Rainbow or the trolley song. There's me. There's a lot of life going here. I wanted to believe. And I tried my damnedest to believe in the rainbow that I tried to get over, and I couldn't. So what? Lots of people can't.
Don't adjust your dials. You have arrived at Hollyweird Emporium.